This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about schools. Did you enjoy your school days?
Yes, I did. I loved spending time with friends and learning new things. Some subjects were challenging, but overall, it was a fun and memorable time in my life.
What was your favorite subject in school?
I enjoyed English literacy the most because I loved reading stories and improving my language skills. The creative writing assignments were always exciting for me.
How did you usually get to school?
I usually walked or took a bus, depending on the weather. Walking was nice because I could chat with friends on the way, and it also gave me some time to relax before starting the school day.
Do you think schools have changed compared to the past?
Yes, schools have changed a lot. There's more use of technology now, like smartboards and online learning. Students today also have more freedom to explore different activities.
What do you think makes a good school?
A good school should have passionate teachers, a safe and supportive environment, and opportunities for students to explore their interests. A big playground is also great because it gives students a space to exercise and stay active.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe an interesting exercise or activity. You should say what it is, what kind of people do it, how it is done, and explain why you think it is interesting.
One interesting exercise I enjoy is yoga. It's a physical and mental activity that involves stretching, balance, and deep breathing. I first tried it at a local class during a wellness event, and since then, I've been hooked. What I find fascinating about yoga is that it's suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced practitioner, there are always poses and techniques to match your ability. Yoga is typically practiced on a mat in a quiet space, either at home, in a studio, or even outdoors. The session usually starts with breathing exercises to help calm the mind, followed by a series of poses that work on strength and flexibility. For example, the downward dog pose stretches the whole body, while the tree pose improves balance. At the end of a session, there's often a relaxation phase where you lie down and focus on mindfulness. I've noticed that people who do yoga often say it helps them feel more relaxed and energized. It's not just about fitness, it also helps improve concentration and reduce stress. Many busy professionals and students use yoga as a way to unwind after a long day, while others make it part of their morning routine to start the day fresh. What makes yoga particularly interesting to me is its versatility and accessibility. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to do it. Plus, it's a great way to connect with your body and mind while improving your overall well-being. For me, it's not just an exercise, but also a form of self-care that keeps me balanced and happy.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of gifts. What are the benefits of regular exercise?
Regular exercise keeps the body healthy and boosts mental well-being. It improves physical strength, reduces stress, and helps prevent diseases. It also increases energy levels and helps people sleep better at night. For example, a daily 30-minute walk can lower blood pressure and improve mood.
Do you think children should be encouraged to exercise more?
Yes, definitely. Regular exercise is important for their growth and health. Activities like sports or dancing not only keep them fit, but also teach teamwork and discipline. For instance, joining a football team can help kids stay active while learning how to cooperate with others.
What's the difference between indoor and outdoor exercise?
Indoor exercise, like gym workouts, is convenient and weatherproof. Outdoor exercise, like running or cycling, offers fresh air and a change of scenery. Both are good, but outdoor activities can feel more refreshing and natural. For example, hiking in a park can combine exercise with a connection to nature.
How has technology changed the way people exercise?
Technology has made exercising more accessible. Fitness apps, smartwatches, and online workout videos help people track progress and stay motivated. Virtual classes also allow people to work out at home easily. For example, apps like Strava let runners and cyclists track their routes and compete with friends.
Is group exercise more effective than working out alone?
Group exercise can be more motivating because of the social interaction and shared energy. It helps people stay consistent and makes activities like team sports or yoga classes more enjoyable. However, working out alone offers flexibility and allows people to go at their own pace.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.